I'm Martin Rostan. I'm the Executive Director of the EtherCAT Technology Group. And I'm based in Germany, but I'm over here now for the MODEX show. If you look around in the halls here, you see a lot of robots. And robots are high-speed motion applications with coordinated motion, and that's an application for what EtherCAT is perfect for. Because we have precise synchronization of multi-axis, very short cycle times. A lot of the robots, folks control their drives with 4 kilohertz or even 8 kilohertz, and EtherCAT is made for that. There's also a lot of material handling applications with conveyor belts, large systems like in warehousing, etc. And that is where the topology advantages of EtherCAT are very nice. With EtherCAT, we can support line topology with virtually unlimited number of nodes without any performance restrictions. We're the world's largest feedbus organization. We have more than 7,600 member companies from 74 countries as of today, and more than 500 new members joining every year. EtherCAT Technology Group runs the ecosystem around EtherCAT, which means we have the user groups that advance the technology, we have the marketing that supports the technology. We support our members in implementing EtherCAT. We have a large team that is actually providing technical implementation support, and that's also something pretty unique. Furthermore, we have advanced diagnostics because we have our unique EtherCAT chips. We can even locate bit errors, and we can locate the loose connector, which is a big advantage in this industry as well. Cybersecurity certainly is the big upcoming topic in feed buses in general. And with EtherCAT, due to our structure, we're much less exposed to cybersecurity attacks than most other feed buses. Because we don't use switches, you can't just plug in a device anywhere else and start attacking us. And the technology has built-in features such as we drop any non-EtherCAT frame in the chips automatically by hardware, which makes us very robust, and we're not based on the internet protocol, which means that any malware, ransomware, etc. can't attack us at all. Membership in the EtherCAT Technology Group is free of charge, and about 1/3 of our members are users of EtherCAT, not makers of EtherCAT devices. So if you're interested in membership, contact us at www.ethercat.org, and there you find a ton of information and more about how to use, how to implement EtherCAT and what the benefits are.